Hello and welcome to our My Little Pony unboxing video. Yeah, the 2019 retro ponies for the 35th anniversary. It's surprise. Open it, please.
All right. Let's see what we got here. Get this tape off. Don't have any nails. All right, there we go. Are you excited as much as I am? I am over the top excited, to the moon. Look at that hair. Real hair. Oh. Have a little sticker sort of thing.
Jackie, I can't hear you. Come in here, please.
So I take money and do it very quietly. So I'm putting insert my face into her face. Not
Hi. I'm a Pegasus. And this is my brush. So as you can see, it comes with the Pegasus. Whoa, we got a brush going crazy.
Here is the brush. I am excited as
Let's untangle the hair. Let's get the hair undone here. All right, so we can brush her tail. You see her cutie mark. She has a double cutie mark of balloons. Very nice. And then, yeah, take a brush. Where's that brush at?
the brush is right
Oh,
here.
beautiful. Thank you, sir. Like, oh, what gorgeous hair. Look at that. It's amazing. All
This
right.
is the Generation 1 pony unboxed. Bye-bye.
Bye.